We shall
make some
bread. Welcome to
Pantukaki.
we're going to make the unhealthy healthy bread or healthy unhealthy bread. All the ingredient and method I will put down into the description. Pour all the bread flour or high protein flour to your bowl, and I just finished my leftover bread flour, so I'll go take a new one. Add in your wheat bran. Wheat bran is the outer layer of the wheat shell. If you're using the wholemeal bread flour, you can skip this step. Add some yeast. Sugar. And sugar. Add some milk powder. And pre-mix everything. Oh, I forgot the salt. And pre-mix again. And then prepare your butter. I will skip the video. And then put to the microwave and melt the butter. I already prepared some cold water so you can put it in. And then all your melted butter. And I will mix it with the spoon first because I don't want to make my hand messy. And then done it on your table or anywhere you prefer. And knead it until it becomes smooth and smooth. Well, this step is taking very long, so
It's time to speed up! It's over 9,000!
10 minutes kneading later.
after finish kneading, add in black sesame, white sesame and sunflower seed. If you like other grain, you can add in yourself. And then roughly knead it again.
Yeah, boy.
rest about 4 hours or overnight if you prefer. I'm going to leave it overnight because I actually make this dough at midnight, so yeah, going to sleep.
Hey. Psst, psst.
Wake up, sleepyhead!
After overnight, I'm going to punch down the dough. To let the carbon dioxide in the bread dough come out. Just flatten the dough. Usually people will use the dough roller. I'm a lazy person, so I'm gonna use my hand. Just flatten it out but evenly. And the bread will look even. And then you roll it up like a Swiss roll. Roll, roll, roll. Make sure it's tight so there will be no air bubble inside. You need to seal the bread bottom, if not it will pop open when you bake it. It will be very ugly.
That's quite big. Impressive.
My bread tin is quite big. It's about 1 liter if you put the water inside. If you're using, you can divide the recipe into half. And let it rest another about 1 hour.
2 hours later.
And bake it for 40 minutes.
This feels a lot like hell.
Excellent. Everything is going as planned.
What? What the?
Why is it spicy?
Don't let your kids watch it!